In front of me is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize keyboard theme on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to choose Additional Settings. Then click on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, Click, and Revert. Then click on Theme section, scroll all the way down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. Now just click on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, go into exactly the same settings and tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!